Hello once again, this is Casey Classic Cars, and today we are doing a walk-around video of our incredibly nice 1957 Chevy Cameo pickup truck. Just over 2,200 of these were ever produced, and this one has received a complete nut and bolt restoration by a semi-professional restorer who was into C2 Corvettes and restored many of those. And his work is just really, really nice. So you'll see in the pictures on the website all of the chassis photos showing just how detailed and how complete and beautiful the restoration was, even underneath the truck. But for right now, we'll just take a nice little walk around of this truck today. As you can see, it's finished in Alpine blue with an Bombay ivory contrast. It was a very highly optioned truck and came with all of the extra chrome along the sides here, which was optional. It came with the very rare trim rings, which were typically you'd get a hubcap and a painted blue or painted steel wheel. This has the nice hubcaps that go with it, hug the outside of the wheels. New white wall tires. Every stitch, every piece of chrome on this truck has been redone to a high level, and as we'll go around the truck here, you'll see every bezel, every chrome bumper, every grille. I mean, everything has been done to a very nice level, and paint is gorgeous on this truck. Very, very straight, rust-free truck. It does have a few upgrades in here in terms of a 12-volt system and a Corvette 327 350 horse motor out of a 67. It also has the dual quad intake off a 62 Corvette. As I said before, the guy was into Corvettes, so he had a lot of parts and pieces, and used some of them to upgrade this truck. Came with factory power steering, factory power brakes. You can see the really cool Batwing oil bath air cleaner here. And you can see that the engine is nicely finished, very clean, very tidy. Doesn't do a lot of leaking or anything underneath, so very nice build. Runs excellent, drives excellent. You can jump in this truck and drive it anywhere without worrying about it. As you can see, just showing you the paint on this truck is absolutely gorgeous, and anywhere you look, you can see how straight and beautiful it is. The chrome is just, like I said, immaculate. The bed is equally as nice, finished with stainless steel fasteners, beautiful paint, very straight panels, red oak bed with high-end stainless steel fasteners and strips. Even the spare tire is brand new, never been on the ground, same quality as the ones that are on the truck, painted to the same level, and there is a carrier underneath the truck if you wanted to stow it away, but it's almost nice enough to show. Just rub down the wood with a little linseed oil, and that's the beautiful look that you get. Tailgate in gorgeous condition. There's a few little cracks from just age-related, I guess, right down there, but nothing too serious. Again, all the chrome. Look at how nicely the exhaust tips come under the chrome bumper guards and line up very nice. I mean, all kinds of thoughtful little details. Accompanying the truck, all the bezels have been redone, lenses, everything. All the glass in the truck is new all the way around. It is crystal clear. I mean, it's just crystal clear. And you can see that there's no rust on the truck. There's a few little minor stone chips and things like that, but otherwise it is show quality throughout, and will make anyone a beautiful addition to their collection. You can see the interior is original type seat, well, original seat. It's got the optional package tray in the back. There's a little, you can see there's a little bottle That's the touch-up paint. Haven't broken that out yet, but you can see the dash was completely restored. All the gauges work. Every single gauge works. All the lights work. The AM FM, it's been converted to an AM FM. It all works. It has cold vintage air conditioning that works great. Vintage air and heat. So it's been upgraded with all the niceties. Power steering, power brakes were nice options that came on this truck. It's got the 4-speed Hydromatic, which I don't know if you're familiar with that, but you can see there that's you can put it down into 1 through 4 or 1 through 2, or you basically got to put it in neutral to start it, and then you park it in reverse, and that's how these things work. Just really nice. All the windows go up and down, super nice. Just like that. Everything opens and shuts really nice. Just like that. And like I said, the paint is beautiful on this truck. It's straight. Everything opens and closes like it should. Notice these chrome hood ornaments, very rare, very hard to come by. Very few of the Cameos came with those. So if you're interested in this investment quality 57 Chevy Cameo in Alpine Blue and Bombay White, give us a call at KC Classic Cars, 913-461-4890, and like us and follow us on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.